Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Calendly for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial video. Today we'll take a quick look at Calendly and explore how to get started using it as your appointment scheduler and more. So let's dive right in. Now what exactly does Calendly entail and what can you get out of this platform? Alright, so Calendly is an online scheduling platform that simplifies the process of coordinating appointments and meetings. Users can create personalized scheduling links based on their availability preferences. Recipients, whether clients or colleagues, can then choose a suitable time from the available slots without the need for back and forth communication. With features like team bookings, group integrations, and seamless syncing with calendars like Google Calendar, Calendly streamlines the scheduling experience, making it an efficient tool for managing appointments and facilitating collaboration. Now let's get started with this in-depth guide on maximizing Calendly's powerful features. So the first step is to navigate to Calendly. So I want you to type in calendly.com in your web browser and it will direct you to the page where I am currently located, which is the landing page of Calendly. To create an account, you can click on the Get Started button here, or you can easily sign up with your Google or Microsoft account, which is totally for free. And for me personally, I'm going to log in using my Google account. Then it's going to ask you if you allow Calendly to sync up with your Google Calendar, and I'm gonna allow it on my side. After that, you will need to answer these questions about how you're going to use Calendly and more. But once you are done with the initial login, you will be routed into your very own Calendly account. So this is how your Calendly account will look. On the top right, you will find your account settings. Click on Profile, and here is where you can edit your profile. We have our business name, which you can customize to your liking. Next, there's the welcome message. You can enhance the professionalism of your profile by editing it. Let me delete the existing one and replace it with this AI-generated text for a more polished touch. Additionally, you can update all the informations in this section, but I will save these changes for now over in this profile section. After that, we have the branding section as well. In this section, you can add your logo, image, and apply it to all the users within your organization. Naturally, individuals can book appointments with multiple team members as well, providing you with the flexibility you need. Explore these options to enhance the visual appeal of your scheduling process. Then we have the calendar sync or calendar connections. This is where you can sync Calendly with any of your existing calendars. If you want to sync it with your Google Calendar, you can easily do that. You can also click on add a calendar account, but for that, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan. But once you are upgraded, you can integrate with multiple different calendars into your Calendly. However, let's stick with a free plan for now. And moving on to the home section, this is where you will find your event types and the scheduled events and upcoming ones. Next is the workflow, but for workflows, you will need to upgrade to a premium version of Calendly. And then lastly, we have the routing, but once again, this is a premium feature, but this allows you to set up form questions and logic for invitees. Well, now let's get started with creating a basic event. So we're gonna need to go back to event types and simply click on new event type over here. This will send you to all the options on how you can create an event here in Calendly. The first one is the one-on-one, obviously for one host and one invitee, good for coffee chats, one-on-one interviews, and etc. Then we have the group with only one host and group of invitees, suitable for webinars and online classes. Next up is collective, more than one host but only one invitee, ideal for panel interviews and group sales calls. Following that is round robin with one rotating host and one invitee, and it is good for distributing incoming sales leads. So these are the 4 basic event types you can make in Calendly. And as you can see on the bottom part, I have 2 more ways to meet in Calendly, which is a really good feature that Calendly offers, especially for the meeting pool, allowing invitees to vote on a time that works for everyone. Before you can set up the event, the invitees will have to agree on a specific time to meet. Lastly, we have the one-off meeting where you can invite someone to pick a time with you without creating an event type. So basically, this refers to a single standalone event that is not part of a recurring series. It is suitable for situations where you want to schedule an individual meeting or appointment without the need for repetition or regular occurrence. So for this tutorial, let me show you how you can make a one-on-one event type over here. So simply click the option and you're gonna choose a host, and obviously I will be hosting this event, so I'm gonna choose myself over here. Then just click next. You will be routed into this page over here. So on the left side panel of your screen, this is where you can add all the information about this event. And on the right hand side is a preview of your event. So what's gonna happen is if I type the event name, like for example, let's go for counseling for the event name, it will be added into my preview as well. So this is a really nice feature because you can easily track all your movement and you can change right away if you're not satisfied with it. Then next we have the duration. Let's go for an hour over here. Then we have the location, and you will have a lot of options on how you can meet your invitee. You can meet them through Zoom, phone, in person, or click on these all options over here, and you will have more options on how you can meet your invitee over. So for this, I'm gonna choose the Google Meet option and simply click on it. And once you're all set up, you can click on continue, and you will have more tools to make your event reach out more people and add some descriptions into it. Click on event details, and this is where you can write a summary or any detail that your invitee should know about. Like for example, I'm gonna add this text over here, so in this way the people will have more knowledge about this event type. And once you're set up, just click save and close to proceed. Then next, we have the scheduling setting over here. So this is where you can set a date range and the hours for this event. So we have the date range and how many days your invitee can schedule the event into the future. So let's say that I want people to be able to book 30 days into the future because I don't know if I will be doing this for the next other months. Then we have the available hours. This is where you can set the times that the people will be able to schedule these types of meetings with you. So here you can edit your hours. If you want to do a meeting on Sunday, feel free to change your schedule over in this section. Then we have event limits and the additional option as well. And once again, when you're done figuring over here, just click save and close to proceed. Then next, we have the booking page option. This is where you can customize your event link. So this will be your URL for your Calendly account, and to share this specific event, all you need to do is add this word over here into your URL, which is this one over here. Then we have the booking form. This is where you can set up questions for the invitee and also set up the payment over here. Then lastly, for the section, we have the confirmation page. So obviously, we have here the after booking. This is where you can send invitee a confirmation page. You can use the Calendly's confirmation, or you can redirect them to an external site. And once you are set up from here, just click the save and close button to proceed. And lastly, we have the communications. It says you can send automatic communications for your events. So over here, I think this is the Calendly's default automation, because when someone sign up over into your booking page section, they will immediately receive a calendar invitation after they book this event. Then you can turn on these other notifications over here, like you can send an email reminder, text reminders, or email follow-up. To do that, just click the three dots to edit these features. Then lastly, we have the workflows, but as I've said earlier, that this is only available for upgraded subscription. So if you click this, it's gonna send you back over into the workflow section. So let's not worry about this one, and going back to the event page once you're set up from here. So for the last time, just click save and close, and you are now ready to share your event to other people that might be interested on this event. Alright, so to wrap up, simply click on share right here, copy the link to your event, and start spreading the word to those who might be interested. And with that being said, you're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently manage your schedule using Calendly. Whether for business meetings or personal appointments, Calendly streamlines the process, saving you time and ensuring a more organized and stress-free life. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to comment down below. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!